Can you solve 5 times 2? Hello everyone! Today we learn the 2 times table. Let's first write down the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is nothing new. We are simply counting up in steps of 2. So these are the even numbers. From counting, we also know the numbers from 1 to 10. And to make everything easier, we are going to write these numbers down as well. So let's write them in another column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And now we come to the multiplication facts. We are going to use multiplication. The 2 times table is really all about doubling numbers. This time I'm writing the multiplication sign as a dot. You may also see it written as an X. And because we are doubling, or because we are learning the 2 times table, we always multiply by 2. So we write a 2 in each multiplication fact. And what can we see now? 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4, and so on. So what have we done? We wrote down the numbers from 1 to 10. Then we doubled each number, and now we can see that the answer are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So without thinking too hard, we have already written down the 2 times table. Now let's look at this with 3 examples. For the first example, we have 4 bags with 2 apples in each bag. We want to know how many apples there are altogether. We could count up in steps of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we know that 4 times 2 equals 8. Or instead of counting up, we can also double 4. This is the same as 4 times 2. It is a shorter way of adding equal groups, and as we can see, the answer is 8. Now let's look at another example. Let's say we have 9 bags. In each bag there are 2 apples. What is the answer? Of course, we could count up again, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. But this takes quite a long time. An easier way is to first think about 10 times 2. We know that 10 times 2 equals 20. But we only need 9 times 2. So we can take away one group of 2. So we calculate 20 minus 2 equals 18. And now let's look at one more example. Let's take 5 times 2. Here we can use another method. We can use an array. That means we draw rows and dots to help us see the multiplication. So we draw 2 rows with 5 dots in each row. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can see we have 2 rows and in each column we have 5 dots. That means 5 times 2 equals 10. Great work! Today we learned the 2 times table. We counted in 2s, we doubled numbers, and we saw that the answer are even numbers. But in the end, the 2 times table is one of the most important times tables. It is one of the key facts that we should know really well. In the next video, we'll learn the 3 times table. See you in the next video. Bye!